Hello friend, what is testing daily and why every QA is loving it and it has become part of every tester's browser in such a short time. Testing daily is a free browser plugin. It is a very simple browser extension to get the feed of latest testing news. Like you can read it here on the testing daily homepage. Testing Daily is the tester's homepage which lists down all the latest testing related blogs, tutorials, news, and trends in the new tab. This is an absolutely free browser plugin offered by SelectorsHub. The best part of this tool is that you don't have to use it. You just install it and it will automatically get used by you. Now you will say that how it is possible that a tool is going to be used without using it. So what you have to do, you just add it in your browser, and whenever you are opening a new website, while opening a new website, basically to open a new website you open a new tab, right? So this will automatically list down the feed in the new tab which you anyways open like every day, every moment. And that's where before opening your new website you will get some news, you will get some feed which your mind and your eyes will absorb, and then that's how you get the latest testing news and you will keep yourself updated with that. Now let me show you how you can use it and how it works basically. So first let me show you just a simple demo, like how it looks. So as soon as, let's say we have to open any website, new website here, so you see that immediately the feed is loaded here. And suppose you wanted to open selectorsHub.com, we can open it website. So anyways, meanwhile the website is getting loaded and happening, we can see that feed. So next time, let's say I have to open another website, so I will click anyways on this plus. So here you see that the feed is loaded here. Now you can see that okay, someone is talking on Reddit about this software testing. Our Camcanner's black box software testing course, worth it, 5 reasons why startup don't pay back investment, and lot more updates. And as you scroll here, you will keep on getting the feeds, a lot more feeds here. Okay, so this is going to be very helpful for you all. Okay, so first let me show you a very simple demo here. So what you have to do, you just like to open any new website, you click on this plus button. So you see the feed is loaded automatically here. Now if you want to open any website, let's say we wanted to open any website, selectorsHub.com, you open it, and meanwhile the feed is getting loaded, the website is getting loaded, you can read some feed here. Like open, let's say we want to open some another website, so you click on plus and you will see that the feed is loaded here. Like someone is talking about like two-phase model based testing on lambda test. Is there a difference between software testing and QA, performance tool? So all these things, like this is happening on YouTube, this is on Medium, this is on Reddit, this is on lambda test, and you start scrolling the feed here, you will keep getting the feed, more and more feed here. Likewise, if you open new tab, there you will get the feed and other stuff. So this way you will keep on getting the feeds every time you open a website. You get more feeds here, you get to know about that's what's happening over there. So this is going to be very helpful for all of you. So this way you will learn a lot of things. You get every time some new feed over here. You can see, check out this more most popular post which all are there, like what people are discussing, who have upvoted, I mean upvotes. You can see that discussions are happening around. You just keep scrolling here, you will get more and more feeds. So you can just check out that you keep on scrolling, you will keep on getting more and more feed, and you get to know that okay, these all things are happening around in testing. And here you see that most upvoted, best discussions, and everything you will see it here. So lot more things are there in this testing daily. I've created a lot of tutorials out there, so you can check out them. Keep scrolling whenever you wanted to, like okay, let me check what's happening around in testing. So you just start scrolling here, you will keep on getting There's no distraction, nothing. You will get all the filtered information from different blogs, different platforms, and this is how you will keep yourself updated with the testing daily. And this is one of the reason that every QA, every tester is adding testing daily in their browser, and they are getting a lot of information without just doing anything simple. Just like click on this plus button and you got some information. Okay, these are things are happening around, and you learn something new every time. Every time you open new tab, you learn something new, you get something new, that what's happening around. Because it's almost impossible that you can open every day Medium, Reddit, YouTube. Of course, like we all open YouTube, that's a different thing. But at the same time, we are not able to follow each and every automation channel, or each and every one, that what great content is coming from the great uh, trainers. So for that reason, like here you will get all the filtered information, no distraction, nothing. And then of course, like if you wanted to read anything, so you can click on read article, it will take you to their page. If you want, you just click on this watch on YouTube, that you can do. So this is very helpful from that perspective, and it is going to save a lot more time. I mean, time, information you get without wasting any time. And then there are like lots of things, like you can customize the feed. Like if you don't want to watch the YouTube tutorial here, you don't want to see the Reddit content here, that you can customize here from customization. You have the Google search bar here. If you want to search something, you can search from here. If you want to search anything in the feed, you can search here. And then lot more features we are adding every day. It is evolving a lot from the day we have launched it. It has evolved a lot, and we are keep on adding more and more features. You can also will request that you invite other people, let others know about this great innovation. It will be very helpful to them. Okay, now so this is how it looked like. Now let me show you how you can add it in your browser and use it. So first, because it is already added in my browser, so let me just install it, and then we'll show you guys by adding it again. So what you have to do, just go to SelectorsHub website, and here you will see the testing daily is here. Also under products, you can see that what which all products we under SelectorsHub are there, so that you can see it here. So this is testing daily, so click on this testing daily, install. It will take you to the testing daily homepage, so where you can read some of the information, and this page will have always the latest information and everything. And then click on install whichever browser you want, or it is currently available for all the Chromium browser. We will keep on adding support for more and more browsers. So let's first install on Chrome and see. So here you can see that it is already it got verified batch and everything. And you click on add to Chrome here, add extension. It doesn't require all of your website access. It is a very minimal permission required. So you can see that read and change your data on all test case hub and testing daily. So this is not your website, so this is just a selectors of websites only, so it just read data of them. It doesn't read your data, so this is absolutely safe and secure. Then click on add extension, and here when you get this pop-up, which means it is asking whether you wanted to keep the Google as a new tab, or you wanted to keep this testing daily as a new tab. So let's say we want to keep it as a keep it testing daily, so click on this keep it, and whenever you wanted to change that, you can change it. And now if you will open new tab, you will see that the content will be loaded here. Another thing, like you might be getting a question, what privacy are there, is it safe and secure or not? So then you can always read under privacy practices tab in testing daily inside Chrome store, that the publisher has disclosed that it will not collect or use your data. So this is absolutely safe and secure, so you don't need to worry about it. And you can always read the information and everything here, the latest version, when it was released and everything, that you will find it here. And the latest tutorial will always be here, because we will keep on upgrading it, keep on evolving it, we'll keep on adding more and more features. as user feedback, as we get the feedback from all of you. So yeah, so this is how it is evolving. I mean, this is how testing daily works, and people are using it, enjoying it, getting all the latest information, and yeah, discussion and upvote, any community is engaging with each other. So this is very very helpful, and it has a lot more features, lot more information. So just explore it. This will help a lot, and you will just love it. So yeah, that's about testing daily, guys. Will request all of you that please do give it a try, use it. If you like it, please share it with others, and then definitely people will love it and you will love it. And there are more features inside this, so please watch the detailed tutorial once. Like you can, let's say you are opening every time new tab and you are seeing this content, and if you don't want it to see this, you can also pause it. So like, let's say you wanted to pause it for 5 minutes, then done. Now if you will open new tab, you will see that it will not come, feed will not come. But if you wanted to see it again, so here you have this, click on this logo and you can activate again. So now if you will open new tab, you will see the feed again. And every time when you open new tab, you get the different feed, new feed, which will help you to learn something new. Okay, so yeah, that's testing daily, and this is how you can use it. I will request all of you to please give it a try. Please share it with others. Let us know your feedback, and please like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, to keep getting all the latest innovation updates and products update from SelectorsHub. With that, thank you so much.